Hey, now I realized that I forgot to plug in the microphone. Of course I did. So yeah, I managed to mess up so many things. I managed to send Discord, like, I just pressed something in Discord disappeared and I was looking for it on all my desktops. And also I somehow managed to unpin Chattery and it's now only on one desktop. Like, what? What did I do? Just a few key presses. And yeah. Okay, now that should work. And yeah, you can't flee, you can't flee because the plushie is not yours. Because you haven't caught the plushie. It's wild, it says it's wild. It means you can't control it. Anyway, so what do we do now? I haven't looked at this code base for a long time. If we just take a look at when was the last commit, it was probably like 2024. Wait, 2025 I meant. Function attributes. Oh, February. February 8th. I mean, still a while ago, honestly. But yeah. CC is intern. Alright, readmes and stuff. Oh, wait, I moved the readme. I mean, I removed this readme because it was... Oh, was it? Here. I removed this readme because it was, like, useless. 0.01 update versions. I guess. I don't know, work in progress. Lol. Okay. I added a bunch of stuff here. Anyway, we push that and I closed it there. And let's see. Let's see what we have. Oh, so many comments. Oh, I'm not used to writing comments now. Yeah, I was writing docs for stuff. It's actually good. It's actually great. That was actually great. Also, I'm realizing my voice isn't clear enough. Definitely wasn't. Because it's hard to talk, you know. Anyway. So. Oh, that file doesn't exist. Right. Wait, where am I? Yeah, I'm here, right. Orco lib. Oh, it's orco slash orco. It's in the root, right? So this is from orco directory, which doesn't exist anymore. So we have to move it here, right? Because if I do cargo doc. Oh, but I'm pretty sure I have fixed cargo. I'm pretty sure I have installed it yesterday. Oh, well, here we go. I guess no. I guess it had to reinstall itself. Or what? Detected conflict. What? Rust up toolchain list. Oh right, because this uses a different toolchain. Rust toolchain. I mean, it's using nightly. Wait, what? Rust up toolchain list downloads components for some reason. No, because syncing updates. Okay, list. What are you doing? Dude. Do you have cargo? I do have cargo home defined and Rust up home as well. So what do we have in the directory? Look, settings. I wonder what's there. Hopefully nothing. Yeah, it's fine. Tool chain. Just press this. Tool chains. Let's see tool chains. This. Can I get rid of it? Can I get rid of everything in here? It's gonna free up a little bit of space and we're gonna re-download it. Yeah. Oh, hi, Voita King. No. Cargo. No, Rasta. Default. Nightly. Is my keyboard too loud? I'm thinking to get yet another keyboard, which is like, small size, as in not the full layout with numpad and like functional keys, although I will miss functional keys, but like the smallest size possible. Even my laptop has a numpad. It's just the plushie. It's just a random chance. Although Badcom does sometimes appear in chat. Anyway, so yeah, I was thinking to get. I'm still thinking to get a small size keyboard that's quieter, because that's what I've been needing. And like, I really feel how numpad and like those other keys are just exactly where my hand was supposed to lie when I'm using my mouse, and so I have to push the keyboard to the left and like somehow work around it. Anyway, cargo dock open. So yeah, it's gonna download some more components because we have Rust toolchain file here. And then we'll see. Installing components. Badcop disappeared. Yeah. Nobody even thought about catching it. Anyway. So it's gonna take a little bit of time to install stuff. Okay, now we're gonna compile and check. Oh, hi, Cuckoo. You could have caught like 2 plushes if you just were a little bit earlier. Fox V2. Oh, the overlay's lagging a little. Nvidia już jest again. Nah. Anyway. You have GD copy. What? What are those names? You can't fire me. I'm the streamer. If you fire me, nobody's gonna stream. Yeah. You thought she was live on Discord? She might be. Like, I don't know. But I am pretty sure I would have realized that. Yeah. Fox V2, Fox 2. Rename Fox 57. What? Oh, which plushie did you rename? You renamed Arch. Cuckoo, you renamed Arch to Fox 57. Oh no, you now have 2 plushes with the same name. Yeah, just type you forgot how to catch plushes. Why SCH not SH? You tell me. I don't know German. So yeah, cool. To disembed you can type name Arch or something. So that's, or like, okay, so I'm not sure which one this is gonna pick, but if you use name, it's gonna rename the last one in the list, 100%. Bang, rename with 2 arguments, probably rename the first one that matched the name. Actually, no, never mind, it worked. This is Fox, yeah. Sometimes I talk to myself. Happens to all of us. I'm gonna give you a plushie. Kobo. You cannot see it. Fox Ubuntu. Okay, I don't have that command. I have no idea what that would do. Even it was splashing. And so you're right. And so the first thing that came to your mind is Bank Fox. You know, what if I just for fun just said, oh, ow, ow, spawn where it was supposed to. What if I just added the Fox command as an alias? Anyway, so yeah, declaration backend, and we have code. Oh wow, oh you're gonna destroy it. You're not gonna be able to catch it. Oh, what happened to the fox? The fox spawned inside Cobble and exploded because it spawned inside Cobble. Yeah, you burned Cobble. I'm gonna give you another one. Atmel, you can get Atmel. Just be careful. Or you can power up your fox. Theme, I guess. Oh yeah, right. No, it's not gonna restore it. If you flee and respawn, it's not gonna restore your health anymore. Cause that's how it works. Cause like now you need to now it's like Pokemon. You need a Poké Center, except that there are none. Where it would would restore. 36 HP is a lot. I miss Pokemon. Maybe I'll play more Pokemon at some point this summer. Although I probably won't. Like I'll probably be happier watching someone play it instead of me playing it. I mean, I was that lazy. I'm just not used to it. You could probably do another punch. Wouldn't hurt you. Although they're touching, like, oh, no. Now it wouldn't hurt you. Python. Okay, Python is gonna destroy it, probably. You didn't even punch it. Oh, you punched Armel. Armel doesn't exist. Yeah, you destroyed it, I said. I said Python's gonna destroy it. Oh, what? Oh, right. Now please. Pytho. You can have another one. Oh, no. Okay, KD doesn't work. Back to overlay fixing. No, it's KD. Yeah, it's KD. Assets, flashes, KDE. Like, I swear we tested it. Guess I'm just gonna incrementally use them. Oh. Yeah, don't worry about this. If you open Discord, there was an April Fool's contest. Just go ahead and solve the last problem, you'll find out what this is. I worked a bit. Oh, also, don't worry about this either. That's more spoilers. Actually, you've seen this skin already. You haven't seen this skin though. Minecraft, what? Why is it moving? Like what? It's just flapping. So yeah, Minecraft, those are just skins. And this is related to 1st April contest. Been a while? Yeah. It's been a while. Oh, the style is. Oh wait. Oh right here. So KD is broken. Yeah, nobody bothered. I guess. Okay, KD PNG. Oh, that's laggy. How did I miss it? Like how? Like how? I'm gonna do a quick one. I'm gonna do this. So this is gonna be the connection point. It's gonna be weak, sure. I'm gonna fill it with. So I'm gonna, yeah, I'm gonna make a new layer. I'm gonna fill it with 0003 fill, and then I'm gonna move it down. I'm gonna save it, and then I'm gonna go chat room. Come on, call. If you need to make logo, you just use AI. Well, I'm not making logo. Also, don't look at this. I've been writing too much Java lately. Way too much. Why not Kotlin? Because Kotlin has worse IDE support. Actually, it might not. It might have a better IDE support. I don't know. I'll test it out because I'm gonna have to do a PR, a lot of PRs into one Kotlin library for this Java project. But yeah, Kotlin has better Gradle support. I don't use Gradle, I use Maven. That's the thing, because Gradle is horrible. Google is shutting down Firebase Studio? Well, I don't know. Never heard of it. Maven sucks. No, it doesn't. Maven is awesome. Gradle is just too much more stuff. I don't want a daemon running in the background for no reason, just waiting for me to give it a job. Maybe it's just XML. Yeah, but like, do you really need code there? I mean, maybe you do. That is cool. But like, again, Gradle is too slow. If you disregard diamonds, Gradle is just way too slow, and Maven is fast enough for me. Anyway, KDE. So yeah, and use not Kid Life. KDE. So yeah, Frostbite. You just use AI. Well, I don't really make logos, and when I do, I prefer to make them myself. But like in this case, that's an existing logo, and I'm patching it. I'm adding a semi-transparent background. Oh, so it confused me because it wasn't Belarusian. So yeah, I'm just fixing I'm just adding a semi-transparent rectangle, and AI is not gonna be able to do that because this is too technical. This is way too technical. Anyway, go for import. If we import, it should work. Archie's still dancing. Actually, kind of in sync with music. So where did the A sprite go now? Like what? A sprite was supposed to be somewhere here, or did I close it? Or is it here? Okay, something's loading, I guess. Come on, boot up. Okay, while it's booting up, I guess I can go ahead and take a look at some other things. CodeGen, for example. Oh, it doesn't want to go with here. Oh, also. Let's revoke a time API key now. I'm just not gonna do that. Let it import and exit. So L3 runs the dock open, because, yeah, I need docks. I need docks to open. Well, I don't really need them, I just want to see them. No. This thing should have exited. At this point already. I guess my system is just lagging. No idea. Like, I'm in Belarus, I can't do this. So, why are you asking me? Hey. Oh, it failed to compile. Oh, cause crane lift updated, or Rust updated, I guess. Anyway, no, I want to restart the overlay. Overlay to, well, real quick. Let's see, choose. now. I'm typing Gradle. Godot 4. Flex your coding. Nobody cares about my coding. It's not even that impressive. Like, again, I 2 weeks ago approximately, which by the way, this stream was supposed to be 2 weeks ago exactly, so a little more than 2 weeks ago, I was reviving one of my one of my old projects. I took a look at the code and I was like, oh my god, I was like, it was 5, okay, maybe not 5, it was like 4 years ago when I wrote that, and this code is, I don't even understand it now. AI didn't exist back then. I wrote all that myself, and this was it was cool. It was relatively simple, but like, it's impressive. It's impressive how back then I could write something like this. I had my own vector implementation, and like, it took me not long to write all that. I mean, years, but like, as in, like nowadays, I'm just so much slower at making things. Like, yeah, it's just somewhat disappointing. I feel like I became worse. And then taking moon with rocket hands? No, I wouldn't. A non-techie person would not listen to anything about coding or whatever most of the time. Anyway. Let's care. Don't find type, codes and results. Yeah, right, that changed, I guess. Orco Rust team. Nigel 1. So Rusty backend. What has changed? All that has changed. Code and results don't exist anymore. Oh my god. You ran an LLM locally once, some folks at your office lost their mind literally. Well, I ran an LLM locally many times. Wasn't very useful, but like, yeah, I experimented with a lot of things. I trained an LLM even, although wasn't very successful. I did train an LLM on Harry Potter, and it worked. It somewhat worked. Like, it was surprising. So yeah, I guess there's that. Why is go to definition don't work? Or is this thing not does the thing not exist anymore? No, it's supposed to. Come on. Come on, like, is LSP even alive? Give me the errors again. ST backend line 34. Well, yeah, sure, code and results don't work, don't exist. But like, how am I supposed to see what's it supposed to be when I can't even go to definition? Okay, let's take a look at Felix config. Language is Tomo. Do it have Rust analyzer stuff here? I mean, seems alright. No configured. What do you mean? What? Oh wait, right. Rust app component add Rust analyzer. Right, we don't have Rust analyzer. Oh, it was so quick. Since when are they tiny-ish. 9 megabytes is not tiny. But like still relatively tiny. Okay, now it works. Why is it so hard? You ask me. Come on, load up. The bird's singing. It is spring. It is a nice day outside, and I'm sitting there. Why would I be? No random CPU, target CPU. Okay, sure. Now LSP works. Now get me into class. Get me in the trade. But why not would I be? Cause I'm boring. I mean, okay, maybe not that boring, but like, I barely talk with anyone. Well, it's used to be the case, now it's not. So I guess. Target config. You're right. Do we need target config? No, I don't. So yeah, name. Obviously. Init, print. Which I do like to have. I would like to have print. Separate create types. Everything. Prints. Replace intrinsics. Is TNLTO supported? No idea. Has this standard? What? What do you mean has this standard? Like, a backend has a compression algorithm. What does that mean? What would that mean? Flashy Fox. You don't have a Fox. You have a Fox 57. I just love your flashy names. Metadata loader. Rename Fox 007. You renamed Arch again! Hi Stony. You renamed Arch again! Kuko! Those commands aren't meant to be used like that. Like, I made rename accept one argument for the cases when you just go to Plush and you do bang name. I Arch. So yeah, you do bang name, and like it would name the latest plush you got. That would make sense. Anyway, so yeah, I'm live now. Target CPU, a string. Like, what string am I supposed to return here? Let's take a look at what CraneLink does. CraneLink trusty back and GitHub. A flash. Those names are case insensitive. Honestly, not sure. It's been a while. I can check probably. I can like go to chat with, or yeah. Plushy 11 new. Like, what are those? Okay, where's the new? What is the new? Do you have a new? You don't have a new, do you? Arch. Wait, you have two arches. What? And you don't have a fox? Oh wait, no, you do have a fox. What is this? This is Mario new. Oh wait, no, you do have new. What is new? What are those names? Okay, I guess those are case insensitive. Although it might be case insensitive somewhere and not case insensitive somewhere else. Oh yeah, it is case insensitive. Right. But like, what is it? Those names are just mind-bending to me. Anyway, oh hi. I still don't pronounce it. I'm doing well enough. Then you 001. Okay, you're starting to number them. You're starting to number them. At some point it's gonna be and numbers running after me. What do I do? Okay, so where is it? Where's the source and I guess. Okay, here, code and backend. Target code. What's the target CPU? Target CPU. Oh, it's like a native and stuff. Okay. Do I just put a x86 here or something? Oh wait, no, it's not x86. It's scene. Like, what was this? What was what? This is just crane lift. Crane lift implementation for the Rust compiler backend. Wait. A Rust compiler backend that uses crane lift. Somewhere on GitHub. And now I'm looking there to. Oh, this plushie. That's Cinema 4D. A program that I learned. This was the first program I learned for 3D modeling. But like I'm not using it, of course, because there's Blender, which is better in every regard for me. So this the 2.0. Let's call it X8. Let's call it C. The C CPU. Oh, GCC. GCC is gonna be the CPU. Maybe you shouldn't number them. Yeah, nobody knows. Okay, so yeah, right. Now, what do we have? Code and create. Now it takes type, context, and create info. Wait, it takes create info. Wait, no way they finally got rid of the current create thing. Actually, probably not. Create info, create info. Java told me some bad things. Like, for example, never qualify names, just import everything. Gear K. Gear K. That's called KDE. That's the company or whatever. The organization. KDE. Yeah. And also, yeah, it's fixed. Yay, it works. I forgot to test it, you did it for me. Alright, this takes a reference. Plush is big. It's oh wait, no, this is big. Punch D. How perfect is that? Penguin operator stops punching Arch and KDE, and Kuko switches exactly at the moment where Penguin operator starts punching D. Punch Firefox. I guess too late. Oh, it's also not called Firefox, it's called Agent Hooks. Because Kuko renames their plushes constantly to anything. Okay, so. You're right, create info. How do they do it? Create the context. Do they care about create info? No, okay. Local create did not disappear. They don't care about create info. 16 plushes. Penguin operator, you consist with one plush Ruby. You have Ruby. You need to power up. You need to level up Ruby and catch plushes. Okay, so. Right. Gear KD 001. Okay, now more numbers. Anyway, yeah, declare. Let's keep declarations. Let's ignore creating phone. Rename Ruby Gem. Okay, so Penguin Operator is now also removing plushes, renaming plushes. Cause why not? Okay, so yeah, we have Cogent create. No, join Cogent returns something else. Oh yeah, finally the type that's nice. That's nicer. Ongoing Cogent session outputs. You're right. I don't care about anything except ongoing Cogent, cause that's. Wait, ongoing Cogent is nothing. Okay, 3D Pro, what? Yeah, you messed up. I'm just gonna leave you leave you to it. You figure out your naming. Okay, so join Cogent. Just a downcast to join Cogent join session. Can I take a look at the join method? AUT, yeah. Session outputs. Okay, so this returns compile modules and work products. Wait, it's just two things. Is it just two things? Oh, it is just two things. CFX index map and compile modules. Import that, import. Wait, do I really import that? Maybe I don't. Maybe I just qualify it. Wait, it's angry? Compiled modules not found. What do you mean? Ah, I'm missing the keys. It ignores underscore s. Wait, what? Oh, underscores. No, it doesn't. Does it? Oh, right. It renames underscores to spaces. That's the way you place spaces in here. Right. Underscores are spaces, yeah. I forgot about that. 3ds Max? Isn't this 3ds Max? Or... actually, probably not. Try with a space. Try with a space. Because it replaces underscores by spaces and I think plushie command doesn't. Yeah, modules and yeah. Compile modules. Do you have anything here? Nothing really. No option and nothing. Actually, I can just do that. Names didn't change much. Autodesk 003. Why is it Autodesk? Is 3ds Max Autodesk? Also, what's wrong with names? Names are so messed up. I don't know. Anyway, work product ID. Work products. It's just an FX index map. Currently I don't really care. Oh, here we go with Edra. I'm going Codron, I don't care. Currently. Session, neither. Gemini told you it's Autodesk. Well, I mean, probably is then. Might be, I just don't remember. Okay, anyway. So now, does it compile? This item is private. Wow. Wait, hold on. Oh my god, so many things. Orcus RC Cogent. Operand doesn't exist? What? Normalize their names. Maybe. Who knows? Oh, I already feel the urge to rewrite this whole thing. Flashing you and just Mario, like whatever. It's me, Mario. It's not Plushy, it's rename. It's me, Mario. Anyway, I already feel the urge to rewrite this whole thing because it's horrible. But yeah, I don't know how to make cogens. Apparently, I'm a compiler developer, and I don't know how to cogen. Okay, I don't know how to cogen. I don't know how to design cogen interfaces. It's like pain. It's me, Mario. It's actually Mario. What? Of course it is. Also, you're not allowed to say this because copyright. Yeah, I don't think copyright works like that. But like, I wouldn't want to get sued for including Mario in my plushies. Also, it's a music gone. Music's broken. Or was it just too quiet? I don't know. Anyway, place operand, yeah. Hey. Thanks. You gotta name it to Funny Italian Man. Is Mario actually Italian? Alright, code in the rest language to cool. Oh. Bro, actually, might actually makes sense. Use operand unit. So that doesn't exist. Like, what am I supposed to use? Dude. Hi, Nigel. Okay, so my documentation says use operand unit. What am I supposed to use? Because operand unit doesn't exist. Rust C. Actually, it should be in Rust C front, not front end. Yo. Yeah, right. It's in front end. So what do we have in front end? Cogen. Actually, front end. Operand. Unit must be somewhere. Constant, zero sized. Global variable. Oh, we declare a variable. Even better. Catch Vulcan. Because trying to catch Vulcan. Still alive. What's the state of orco? In the gray. Okay, no. Honestly, I don't remember. It doesn't compile. That's a fact. Hi, nerd. So thank you for the hydrate. So yeah, Orco doesn't compile. Oh, chat spam is what is happening. Yeah, sure. Actually, I remember last time it ended badly. Hopefully it won't. You want Vulcan? Sure, go ahead. Just punch it a few more times, or 2 more times, or 1 more time. It's 2 alive. It's 3 HP. It's not. Well, maybe it is, but it's too. It's too. Should have killed it. Yeah. Wanted Vulcan so bad. You can have Groovy. I actually like how Groovy looks, except that it's small, tiny. Some say down, no. Yeah, okay. So, zero size, we just define a void variable. And then we use it. Whatever. ADT. Does a unit or a tuple? Does a tuple include ADT? Tuple. Maybe. Groovy was defeated. You did like Groovy. Why? Also, what is this emote? LOL. Didn't go. Anyway. So yeah, right. Why? We might need to do more generics. Yeah. Oops. Okay. Yeah, you should definitely wishlist Close to Light. I actually played it yesterday. Right, yeah. I was... Oh, wait, the day before, actually. Wait, no, I did play it yesterday. No, your new game. The new one. Actually, no, I actually don't know what it is. One tile. You should wishlist Close to Light though, anyway. Because I wanted to come out at some point. A grid-based game about building your plant factory. What? Coming soon. YouTube chat's covering it. Also, I can probably wait. It's not what this. That's not what I was going to get there. Here. Yay. Coming soon. This looks familiar. This looks like really familiar to something. Yeah. I actually played Mindustry recently. So yeah, it also looks familiar to that. Anyway, go wishlist it, yeah, sure. Not signed in, I'm not gonna sign in because it's a pain. So yeah. No. I'm gonna try to recall what this thing is about. Unit. So, no units? I don't know. Unit values don't exist anymore. Hi, QV. Yeah. No more Linksider. Okay, does this... wait, no, is it that document? Wait, did it open the docs? Oh, it did open the docs. And yeah, readme is here. It also embeds icons. Yay. It also embedded the icons. GD copy, G develop. Deal for delaying. You had 3 years to make Linksiders here now. Okay, anyway. So, yeah, I wanted to address some warnings, and also I wanted to plan out what I'm gonna do with Orco. So I write a plan, and then I just follow it, instead of procrastinating into like other things. So yeah, function signature, unused import. Eh, sure, I guess. Unused variable, line 177. Alright. I want another CodeGen API. I might actually just like open ChatGPT and terrorize it for a few hours. You know, code tonight? Ooh, great question. I mean, let me just make it compile first of all, cause I mean it does compile already. Just address a few of those. So I don't like the code generation thing. But yeah, maybe you'll be able to. I'm sure. JavaScript backend still manual. And also minicast. Actually, yeah, that's a good point. You could do C minus minus and minicast backends too. Honestly, I didn't really. I didn't really pay attention to how minicast looks like, to what minicast looks like. Only like the thing that's written in, that was written in the bottom of your stream, and also what you said about it. Also, like, there was what is it? Automatic typecasting. What is it called? Usually, type coercion in an intermediate language. In an intermediate representation, type coercion. Kitsungu. So in the type coercion in intermediate representation would not make sense. Also, what is this? Oh, test MKS. That's such a file extension. Self-host. Self-host. Okay, what is this? Oh my god, that's dry or something. Native. Native. What does @native do? Native 1, native 2. Is it like, oh wait, native as in generate JavaScript when it comes to JavaScript. Okay, oh that makes so much sense. Wait, are those like, wait, what is this? How is this supposed to work? Yeah, native to compilation target, but like in this case it's JavaScript. No, that's JavaScript. String interpolation. Yeah, but that's not just a string. It's not a... This is a function. It's not a macro, is it? It's interpolating the expression. Even exactly, like what? actually kind of makes sense. Reminds me of the. Honestly, this is so useful. Reminds me of the. What is it called? A macro assembler. So ever since I wrote, ever since I watched a YouTube video about a guy who made a Game Boy game in TypeScript, he used a macro assembler. He wrote a macro assembler which just, you write TypeScript basically, and it just returns the, you run it and it just returns the code. So here it's like a similar idea, except that it's not returning the code, it's actually like, yeah, it makes sense. So it's actually super nice. Anyway. Golden cast minicast JS. Failing. CI is failing. Anyway. Why not wipe coding? Are you asking me or Q? Like the interpolated part is converted into JS code. Yeah, makes sense, makes sense. When is CI not failing? That's a great question. So the collection backend in the scope, oh right, that doesn't exist. Wait, what? Declaration backend. Great. That's a link. Should be renamed C into CF. So yeah. I might actually, I might actually just open ChatGPT and terrorize it with questions about how should I redesign the code generation backend so that it's nice on either side, both to algebraic type system languages, which like are supposed to call the functions, and to the assembly and C generation, which could happen immediately on the other side, because it might not be possible even, but like, well, it doesn't have to be possible. Intermediate representation can exist, but it would be nice if it would be easier. Anyway, declaration backend. By the way, if any one of you saw the two problems in my April Fool's Code Forces contest, named C and D, those are implementing an interpreter for an assembly language and a compiler for a custom language to that assembly language. You can compile a language without an intermediate representation, and it's actually like pretty nice. I'd say it's actually pretty cool. It's like I wrote a compiler inside of a parser, and as you parse, you just write assembly instructions. So yeah, that works. Barely, but works. Yeah. I suggest all lang devs to, at some point, if they haven't written a compiler, to do that. Okay, some ideal problems. Write an assembly interpreter. It's... Okay, so ads. I am not listed. I know! I mean, my April Fool's contest, not the original April Fool's contest. So ads, yeah. I'm gonna wait for an ads. Oh yeah, I should probably like drop in a link here because it's vaguely related. Because like actually, I am kind of proud of those compiler related problems. So yeah, you might want to check it out. 3 people submitted solutions. 3 people out of like 10, 11, 12 registered. And they started submitting like an hour before the end, so I had to push the deadline, but like, whatever. Okay, where is it? Where is the link, dude? Oh wait, it's in the other channel. It's in alerts. See, I didn't do an April Fool's joke, so yeah. Is it possible to submit right now? It is possible to submit right now. It's just that it's not gonna be. It's not gonna go to the table, to the leaderboard. Well, actually, no, it is gonna go to the leaderboard. It's just not gonna be in the official leaderboard because official contest has ended. You can also virtual participate, and yeah, I have extended it to 9 hours long. 9 hours long. Well, let me just here. So just a shameless plug, also in YouTube, because why not? So yeah, because I'm not a grandmaster or whoever you're supposed to be to create contest. No, I'm not opening it again. It's just it exists, and it's still like. It ended, but it's not. But it's like you can still submit. So yeah, that I had so much fun over the past 2 months creating it. But yeah, this table is looking a little bit empty. Spoilers. Also, ooh. That's my friend, by the way. He did submit C. He fixed it. So yeah, this person, if they just removed a plus That's just my friend. You don't know him. He doesn't even know I'm streaming probably. Anyway, so this person just messed up the boundaries. One character corrected in, well, actually more like 2 lines changed in their first solution, and it would be full. It would be 100. Mastermind so yeah. Yeah, why am I supposed to force you to solve B, C, D when you're stuck on A? Oh, I forgot you can reorder stuff here. Never done hot forces. Well, it's debatable. It's mostly competitive programming. Out of those problems, competitive, the problems that's like vaguely similar to competitive programming, it's A. Like rest of them are just fun stuff, fun things. But like yeah, and yeah, this one, the F. I did it. I made it in a day. Oh, why was your Haskell solution failing? Right. By the way, I can't see your solutions. I can see all submissions, and you can see all submissions, but you can't see the code. I can see the code. 60. This is yeah, time limit. I know why the time limit's there. I don't know why this person relayed. You can see the. So yeah, like when I was making A, this is literally a copy of the interactive problem, and when I was looking at solutions, I just saw Cubeman in there, submitting like what 3 Pascal and something else. So yeah. By the way, spoiler alert. This one is fun. I really wish somebody actually did it. I mean, you can. Not you'll be able to get any point for that. You tried but didn't say anything. So yeah, Nigel, where's your Haskell solution? Idleness limit exceeded. So first problem is an interactive problem. I am spoiling a lot of stuff, but like, yeah. Anyway, idleness limit is because you put a line and then you immediately read. But you need to flush because this line is still in a buffer, and like you're trying to read. The interactor, which is a program that's supposed to interact with your program to test it, is like, okay, so they're asking me to send something, but they're not actually, they haven't actually asked for anything. So I'm like, what am I supposed to do? And they just sit idle waiting. Both programs, the interactor programs waiting for you to print this, but it's in a buffer. Well, yeah. So yeah, I just googled Haskell flashed out. Like usually you put that in a contest in the problem statement, but I didn't. Because I didn't really realize that no option. Well, I don't know. Ascot forces. I did try adding my own language there. Not that I have an option. Yeah, no option here. This one E is using a different language. You can try it. Anyway, so yeah, you just add a flash somehow, H flash. Turn out prepares immediately. Yeah. Anyway, so your Haskell solution was just not flashing. And then you didn't implement it as a solution. Is it not enough to print a new line? Well, in C, for example, I'm pretty sure C flashes every time you print a new line, although not quite certain. But like most of the time, it's not enough. Like, I do see a lot of places where new line does flash, but like, no, it's not. in fact, like handle in C++ is different from new line is in the fact that it's printing a new line and then flashing immediately. Anyway, as you can probably tell by problem D, I was intending everyone to just write C++ there. But you can write other languages, I'm not restricting you. Not at all. Except problems B and E. It was working on your PC. Were you testing it using a command line manually or using an interactor? I bet you didn't write an interactor just to test it, because like when you're using it with a terminal is gonna flash the output at some point by itself. Command line. Yeah. If like with an interactor case, you would have used redirections or files, it wouldn't flash automatically. So that's just the thing. I don't really know how to explain it properly. Anyway, that was a shameless plug of my April Fool's contest. It is pretty cool, honestly. So check it out. You can still submit, as you can see by Sir Globus's submission. It's just gonna be out of competition, because the competition has ended already. Stainings. Yeah, but like self-promotion. Anyway, so you can see I am here. No rank because I'm out of competition because I submitted without the contest. Although somehow I managed to submit F. And it's like it counted as if I submitted it within a contest, but 20 hours before it somehow. Although I'm pretty sure I have like configured the times after I added F, but well, whatever. Anyway, so yeah, if you submit outside, you're just gonna get this. You're just gonna get a new row. Is my microphone placed in a birdcage? Yeah, my microphone and I am as well, and all my streaming setup is in the birdcage. Because the bird is literally there. Here it is. The bird's happy that it's spring, right? Anyway. Honestly, it took me a while to make the deep problem. Anyway. The wall looks like a fence. No, I'm not outside. That is a wall. That is literally a wall. There is a window on this side, which is left for me, right for you, I guess. There's also a window here, but like that window is a window within a house. Bird come when? It's so far. Like I'm gonna have to make an IP webcam just to like watch the bird, and I have no idea how I would mount it, except for like a ceiling. Interesting wall. Yeah, it's just planks. It's been like that for wherever, like since my birthday, since whenever I was born. It has been like that. It has just been painted white, like 4 years ago or something. So yeah, all walls here are just planks, like that. Plank siding, I guess you call it. We call it birthday wall, birthday wall. So yeah, it's just that, The whole thing, like even, well, what do you call it? Whatever, doesn't matter. The floor is also wooden, the ceiling is the same. So yeah. In fact, I actually really like the background. Oops. By the way, this matrix works if I connect it. Well, I don't think I can. Here's a wire. No, I can show it to you just for the sake of it. Because I didn't bring stuff with me here. It's colorful. Fire, another fire, snake game, Tetris game. Hey. Hi, Davninia. It was supposed to be running like all the time, but power is an issue. Also, I lost the thing. Oh, I'll find it later. Actually, no, never mind. So it was supposed to be running like all the time when I'm streaming, but I don't have any plugs here to power it easily. So like before I was just getting a battery. Okay, later. So yeah, before I was just getting a battery, but then I was too lazy. Birthday. So yeah. So yeah, I do really like my background. It's just like, I'm liking with it, I guess. Anyway, public documentation links to private item generics wrapper. Libras 926, Libras 926 in here. Either backend or generics wrapper. Generics wrapper is private. It's fine though. I don't care. I'm not fixing this. Does it run? Cargo run? Actually, I can't cargo run. Test SSH. Do we have test SSH? I do have test SSH. What does test SSH expect? Samples. Let's do structs. Structs. Oh, terror. Yeah, right. Rust C changed. Rust C model S. Rust C model S. So yeah, I'm just trying to get it to compile now. ADT def. Wires and into def ID. Def ID is not satisfied. The nightly only unstable trait into query key is not implemented for this. So the key is just a reference. Just dereference it. Huh? What a change! The key is just an ADT thing. Here we go, it works. So yeah, Nigel, if you just want to write a backend that's gonna declare symbols, you can already. Because that system is pretty stable. So function name, parameters, string to type. Oh, I call parameters strings now. Parameter names are strings now. So types, I'm pretty sure types are pretty finalized. Pointer with mutability. Like I might change this to an enum, but like those are minor changes. An array type. I also might change this to something. But yeah, this is like finalized. Almost finalized. Floats, integers. Yeah. Well, I mainly C, JavaScript, Lua, and all of the IRs. So yeah, you can pick any. you can just really pick any language and just implement the backend for that, including WASM, JVM, so non-unusual languages, or like Rust, but Rust backend would be hard, honestly, and like you probably shouldn't be doing this. But declaration backend, I mean, declaration backend, so the backends that would create declarations only, would be fine for pretty much any language. Like me personally, I do really want to see this work with JVM, so I am gonna do this at some point. Yeah. And definition, I really definition or codegen stuff. Oh, where's the codegen backend? Really needs some work. Yeah, it runs. Okay, change some stuff. Do I try to use conventional commands? I've been putting stuff in parentheses way more lately, so might as well. Although I don't know. What do you do normally? Chore or update last C version, something like that. Also, I'm supposed to fix it, but I don't. I'm gonna amend it. Give me 1 moment. Rust C toolchain. So it's 1.96.0 or Rust up toolchain list. Oh, nightly. What is the nightly version? Or do I just do nightly? What's it? 0404. 6. Is that how you do it? Is that how you name it? Cargo. Test stage, I guess. Not installed. What do you call a Rust night? Rust. What is the latest nightly called? Like, I remember the toolchains were called with the date. Channel dash date. Year, oh, year, month, date. Year, month, date. So this is supposed to work. Oh, it's syncing updates. Oh my god. Like you have already already have this. Okay, sure. I'm gonna do this. I am gonna download it and I'm gonna reward it via Rust. Like, so the nightly and date is a more concrete than this, cause this changes. Wait, no, cause this changes when this is still the same. Fix functions live. So yeah, downloading, installing. Gonna take a little bit more time. Meanwhile, Kuko is 3 plushes away from Nigel. I really wanna see like actually competition for the first place. Cause like that's always fun. Oh no. Oh no. Catch Firefox. You really think that would be that easy, Nigel? It's not even called Firefox. You can't catch it. You can't catch someone else's plushie. I was gonna take minutes to like defeat Lua actually. Oh, actually, this is a good one. Yeah, you can fire it multiple times. Anyway, this works. I should probably fix some warnings in here. But, you don't know the name. That's the point! And also you can't catch it. You are not able to catch a plushie. And yeah, you can't just bang punch. Oh, who's gonna beat it? Who's gonna beat it? Oh my god, you littered the screen. I'm gonna do this. Cause like there's fire. 6 HP. My pathfinding's messed up. Lua has 1 HP. Defeated Lua received XP. Congrats, Nigel. Wait, why can't I... Why can't you summon the plushie again? Is it because, like, it's actually defeated? Is it because it fainted? Wait, why? It's not supposed... It's supposed to respawn. I'm pretty sure. Oh wait, right, because it's not called Agent Fox anymore. Kuko... Yeah, it's... Well, go ahead and name it again. Yeah, it's just called Kitsune. Yeah, here we go. Oh my god! So quick! How much? 5. Oh my god, that's little! Oh. Wait a little bit. Why is this so messed up? The fire went the wrong way. But yeah, Lua was defeated. 400 XP. Go to level 23. 23! Lua is 45. Wow. Nigel, how did you get to this high of a level? You really need to level up your team. I should probably add a cooldown so when your plushie hits no. That was just early progression unbalanced stuff. But that's fair because he still it still was a long way. And like, how are you supposed to cheat here? So yeah. What was I saying? Yeah, I should probably... Oh wow, 12 plushies. Yeah, Davninia, you need to get up. I mean, actually, you probably... You have Yang level 15, Firefox level 14, and Davninia level 6. Should level up every plush to at least level 5. Oh my word. So yeah, Davninia, you actually have like... everyone has just one plushie that's strong and every other that's weak. You actually have 2 well, pretty good. Kiwi, you have 3. Kiwi, you wanna get on the leaderboard? Kick L. You can't kick, you can gift it. Although I probably should add a kick command or something. So yeah. Now I really wanna punch Yang. Wait, what? Punch Arch. Arch was defeated. 6 HP. It's 6 XP. Gift Elm to Davninia. Wait. Oh, it's the other way around, I think. It's gift Davninia Elm. Switch order. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Help gift. Oh, here we go. Somebody plushie. Yeah. That works. Fire Yang. Gift Nigel withdraw Elm. Nigel now got Elm. You got tired of it? Punch Firefox. Oh, it's not Firefox, right? Renaming is just so... What? Yeah. Oh my god, what's happening with chat? Like, it's so much easier to read this chat because it's filtering messages. Your plush index is not increasing. It's not increasing because you already had both Glenda and Elm before. I'm pretty sure. might actually have gifted them to QV, in fact. It's agent folks. Yeah, you defeated. you were defeated. Can I add minicast? I don't think he did. So yeah, Nigel's on it already. When you wanna add a plushie, ask Nigel for it at this point. I'm just running the command. Your gecko-based browser is strong. Yeah, but it's not as strong as Lua. So Nigel is still the king. It's gonna be so hard actually to beat Nigel. I don't know. How do Pokemon do progression? It has patience. Pantines. Or I guess patience was meant to be. So yeah, how do they do progression in Pokemon? As in, like, you level up your plush. I was about to say, you level up your Pokemon. You can't speak. I can't either. So imagine you level up your Pokemon and then you catch a new one and it's like what, level 2, and you don't care about it. That's not how it works, is it? It's when you level up you catch stronger Pokemon, isn't it? You have stronger encounters and you catch stronger Pokemon, I think. Well, I don't know. Although I don't know. Anyway, so that works. I was going to amend this commit. Amend. Wait, I don't have stage files. Amend. Push. So yeah, updated the Rusty version. Now, we stop component at Rust Analyzer. Yeah. And we need to edit it separately again. And now, I really don't like that it's not actually using the toolchain. So yeah, right. Now, I should probably deal with Kogen. Should probably figure out how to make Kogen nicer, and I guess type. So those changes I was talking about, this change, this probably might change. Actually, this is like more towards generics and macros and stuff. So because like this should be a symbol, a constant. This should be, you should be able to pass in the constant as an array size. So yeah, what did it generate? Structs. So a pair is a tuple struct, right? Structs. Right. So a pair is a tuple struct. Point struct. Person struct. Unit struct. Well, just structs. So yeah, arrays. Arrays are in primitives, right? Primitives. Wait, do I have them broken again? Wait, it's not gonna run. Primitives. It's not gonna run on the code, is it? So if I do struct test, so if I create a struct, it's gonna be it's gonna have a value which is an array. Actually, no, I'm gonna create a function called test. It's gonna take something which is an array of floats. Wait, that's not how you do it. How do you like that? That's a slice. That's not gonna work. Close that. Close that. Let's close others. So compile compile structs. So it's gonna fail. Doesn't have a size known at compile time, of course. So if I do a 32, what? Okay, so this, but this, why? What? Cogent. Oh, cogent.old. So cogent in Rust. Actually, it's not in cogent. It's in declaration. Where do we have a functions declared? Probably in here. Hi. Index tag wow. Anybody. That's how I pronounce your name. So yeah, it's probably in types. Array. Oh, right. Of course, the size is hard coded. So yeah, I need to somehow evaluate it. I need to somehow evaluate the constant. But that's on Rust side. Cause like ideally I should be able to pass constant expressions to here. Never got calendar. No. So yeah, ideally I should be able to pass constant expressions. First of all, second of all, this decays into a pointer. And third, I wanna see what happens if I just do this. It's just gonna crash, isn't it? Gonna say on types 40 line 48. A slice, yeah, of course. So I'm gonna get rid of that. Guess types. Types need some work. So yeah, orco types. So the thing I should do with this is this should be a constant expression. So at least either a constant or a symbol. And like other than that, it should be okay. Okay, let's open readme. Let's make it to do. Oh, also generic. Of course, generics are painful. But yeah, we'll get to it. So roadmap. Put space in here. So we'll call it. We'll call it constant expressions inside types. Array size. So that's gonna be one of the top priorities. Other things. Oh, hashable name. I remember that. Integer size. Yeah. So that's types. Right, generics. I wanted to check generics. It's gonna crash, isn't it? Actually, it might not. Might just ignore half of the functions. Nobody knows. Should really patch those warnings, because they're bugging me. Come on, compile. Oh, it did generate something. So it generated S, which includes type A. It also generated struct A. Oh, also, yeah, ordering. No ordering here. Didn't order anything. I need to. Should really. Gen spec i32, it's Gen i32. So yeah, as Gen is wrapped in a macro. If Gen is wrapped in a macro. Reg function s underscore s generic. Generic function is wrapped in a macro as well. So yeah, dependency mechanism here not implemented, but other than that, let's actually include this. C gen second element inherent dependency. Sorting for simple declarations. So we're gonna declare first and then define. Definitions type is only functions, I'm pretty sure. Maybe even maybe also variables, but I don't think. So yeah. What was so yeah, declarations, sorting declarations. Then definitions don't need to be sorted. Next. So generics. I wanted to check how generics look. Okay, orco lib. Oh right, generics just returns a declaration backend. Maybe I'm gonna have an option that turns this into a AV table. Animals out of what? No. So yeah, generic. Yeah, I guess. Sim hash param1 hash param2. I guess it's supposed to work. Like that. So yeah, codegen. I guess I'm gonna stay on declaration side for a little bit and then remake codegen API. So I'm gonna do this sort of notation. So we're gonna put the name of the crate in parentheses. So remake codegen API. That's a vague roadmap. A vague roadmap. So yeah. What about the codegen API? Wait, no. What about the array, the constant expressions? Oh, and also implementation. A lot of implementation stuff here. So like, it's generosity. I meant all this. And honestly, I don't really know how to write it, but yeah, this thing I'm gonna split it up into tasks, like actually properly organize it. But for now that, and oh yeah. Oh, this. So we'll start with this, and let me actually refill my water. So I'm gonna be right back. I'm back and I see music is dead, I guess. Let's restart it. Oh, hi. Mr. Koneko over on the YouTube side. I have no idea for how long this message has been there, because YouTube chat is horrible. API, I mean, and like technical side. PR for minicast. Already? Don't show the plush on Steam for surprise effect. Am I allowed to see it at least? Yes. Okay. Finally, the great patching ended. By the way, nice. Today we realized that KD was broken. I fixed KD already, but like it was broken. Also, I'm gonna throw YouTube chat in here. Jimin's still there? Who knows? What are those aliases? Oh my god. Let me just check the... I cannot check the... Oh right, yeah, I cannot check the transparency stuff. Is transparency all good? You use the script, right? What is this, like, pixelization on the hand? Submit review. I mean, like, the background is transparent at least. Because I cannot tell with GitHub. Because GitHub just adds a white border around it. This. Okay, then I'm merging it. Where is the button? Merge. Pull request number 5 already. 5 pull requests. And guess what? 4 of them are by Nigel. And 1 by Dependabot. Which bumps a version of a library which like isn't even there. Oh wait, that was from Rust ages. 2024. Anyway, that merged. So live again. So let me just restart real quick. Alright. Just want to commit as well. Let me just commit this fix KDE. Then I'm gonna add commit this store backup. Then I'm gonna pull and rebase, and I'm gonna push. Alright, merge the also commit. Now I'm gonna go for import. Hold on. Hold on. It's importing. Well, actually, Godot's booting to import. So that's gonna take a little bit of time. And now Godot, the overlay is running. Now you're good, I think. Can we go ahead? It's not even there yet. Need to summon it. Because Nigel did the plushie command before the overlay was running. Okay, let me just do... Oh, and yeah, other plushes disappeared because the overlay restarted, obviously. Okay, now Telegram is suggesting me to use AI for my messages. Apply. What did I apply? Redeemed focus on work. I was just answering a question about a Java project I've been working on. I have delegated some of the work to the Globus you have seen before. Oh, delegated. I have kindly asked, kindly, right, to help. So yeah. You've been doing Kotlin for too long. Yeah, I should probably try Kotlin, because when I tried it initially, it didn't work. But yeah, Hand could do a little with the resolution, but actually it's great. Anyway. Yes. We're gonna destroy it. Weak. It's not weak. Plush's strength is randomized. This one was also weak. This one was even weaker. Number of XP you receive depends on the on how strong the plushie was. Then you are lucky. Actually, you are unlucky, because like if it was stronger, it would probably be better. Nigel is angry. Nigel, no way you're gonna make the same mistake again. No way you're gonna make the same mistake again. Flee? Flee? You just fled? Also, Agent Fox fled, but what is this? Hold on. What? Okay, Agent Fox didn't flee properly. That's broken. But yeah, as you can see, fleeing did not help you. Did the deed and fled. No, you didn't. Okay, yeah, Nigel, you didn't realize one thing. You don't realize one thing, but I'm not gonna spoil it. You want to fire Agent... Someone give you water? Nah. Nah, you're gonna be on fire inside of you. Yeah, as you can see, it's still burning. And even, in fact, it's still burning even when it's fled. Even when you fled, it's still burning. In your inventory, it's still burning. That's like in Pokemon. Your Pokemon can be on fire. By the way, HP, showing HP inside of this would be useful. Shield? I don't think shield protects from fire. I think shield only protects from physical damage. Although might actually protect from fire. Not sure. Agent Fuchs. Agent Fuchs! You fled? Well, let's see what happens. You misspelled the name. Agent Fuchs! Why did you call it Agent Fox, by the way? Just curious. Let's see if this works. Should work, right? Actually, it might not work. You need to fix it. Because it's Fox. Oh, it break. Should have ran it before. But I thought it's too long until it. So yeah, I should probably... ooh, control method create timer on a null value. Ooh. Why is AI slope a browser so strong? It's not AI slope. They just integrated AI and that's it. Like AI in web browser, I guess makes sense. Probably an extension though. They also are integrating a VPN in there. I am using a Firefox, just plain old, plain old Firefox. Doesn't work here. This one. With the AI sidebar, which doesn't work for me because I'm in that country. With like whatever else, extensions, settings, stuff. Anyway. Let me just take a look at Chatter's code because I have I need to go to Plushie. Wait, what? PNG Plushie 3D. Wait, no, Plushie instance 3D. Enable shield false. Wait, get 3 get 3 doesn't exist. Yeah, that's surprising. Can you pop out into existence, please? So I can see what happens. Because I have a theory. Exactly! I realized like why it's probably wrong. Okay, so fire did not spread. That's so off. That's so wrong. I honestly wanted to type flash agent box. How about we do? Okay, I was thinking like so there existed a project unknown, an SMP called Project Unknown, which I have watched a video on at some point. So yeah, I thought maybe try doing something similar with flashes. You don't know the names, like Kuko does. Like you don't know the names, but once you do, it's over. So you disable main punch and just names. It's not gonna decrease, Nigel, because fire didn't spread. Fire doesn't spread for some reason. I mean, makes sense, but like. Because process is not getting cold. You could rename all your plushes every 5 minutes. Rename Agent Fox, Agent Dog. Rename Lock, help! Help! No! It's gonna burn. Once the stream ends, I'm just gonna hard-codedly get it out and let it burn. You know. Actually, I can in Siri do that. Fire, help! Nah. Okay, so what do we have here? Lifetime remaining. Attack target. Oh, there's nothing in here. See, it's either Protoss gonna get cold or Bone. Okay, so it's heavily relying on get 3. So it's heavily relying on being in the tree. Let me just open do. I wonder if out of 3. I mean, it seems like it's out of 3. It's broken. Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to real quick. patch this thing so that when you're out of, so that when you're fled, you're still in the tree. Not sure if that's possible or not, but I think it should be. Add over. Yay. Your name is help for a smart reason. Why? Why is this yellow? Losing your checking the plushie command help. when in fact they need help. Because the strongest plushie in existence just pops out. Like, you realize people just see it on the stream. Yes, with a delay, but like still. Anyway, plushie instance is flea handled here. Yeah. Not screen return. Q3. Too late, Lua one shots. I mean, yes, I guess. I just need to warn every single person who gets into plushie business that if you ever see Nigel popping out any plushie, just hide immediately. Unless you're like levels 40 when you can actually compete. Fox fears help. It's dancing, don't you see? Okay, so flea is actually using the screen. So like get three thing. You're supposed to kill or burn it anyway. Yeah, 3. Plushie Lua. What? It's not the one. Where is it? Yeah, it's not the one. Okay, so get 3 create timer. Yes, screen. It is. It's not. It's not the one. Okay, I guess I'm just gonna put on screen everywhere in here.
Can you read chat, please?
Plushie Lua, flea Lua, fled, it is read chat. It's not. Plushie Lua, flea Lua, fled, it is. No, it's not. I am reading chat, what's wrong, what am I missing? You know, screen get timeout and flea's here somewhere. Agent Dog has 193 HP. Wait, I don't have it in the log. Oh. Wait, what? Oh, you did the punch. Okay, so it does filter this stuff. I mean, Lua is not the one. This is the wild Lua, Nigel. This is the weak Lua. Like level 2 or 3 or something. Foxy. Wait, fire. Because this is not your Lua. You just realized that. Because you renamed it. Renaming takes effect. I was confused why the fire is good, and then I realized. These are like Godot. Kuko, it was your chance to fire a few times. can I see too energetic? Yeah. Um. Also just checking YouTube chat because it doesn't update any again. Oh, I remember when God of War was released. Too fast for this old folks. Okay, so where is it? Has node? Is there has child? Has child? No, has node. Is there in 3 or something? Wait, get 3, get 3. If get 3 returns now, then that's it. If get 3, if not get 3, then return, and then do I just launch Godot next time so that I can edit the code? Plushy help. Pet Foxy. It's appearing and there's just a mark on the screen here. Cause somewhere I messed up again. Okay, so yeah, anyway, in bone now. So save this. And then I look for bones somewhere here. Oh, this reminds me of Inti. Fire Nigel. It's for petting, that's that's rude. You're just disintegrating yourself. Destroying yourself. It's on screen plushy bone, isn't it? Here, here we do plushy. Oh my god, what's happening? Oh right, Nigel also has rust, which is powerful. Cuckoo's just gonna fire all of the plushes. I guess I get cooldown on fleeing, probably. Yeah, even plushy. So yeah, where's the get 3? Get 3 in 2 places. So it's plushy screen. Because plushy should have access to screen. And get 3 in here. Tiles. Okay, let me just. So I saved it. Let me just move this here. And let me just restart the thing. So sorry, oops. I terminated the wrong thing. Hold on. One moment. This comes back. This comes back as well. Now, anyway, let's actually get to this. What was I doing the whole stream? So constant expressions. So I need a constant type here. Constant thing. Either a symbol or a value. Would probably do. Unless I actually make a whole constant expression system. Alice is not there. Okay, again, double typing I. Rust fled already. Nigel, can you pop out? Fire, 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 fire! You need to have this command ready. You look at the chat, you stare at the chat whenever Nigel types help, plushy help, you just press enter and that's it. Fire's actually gone because I restarted the overlay. Hey, did you not realize? That's surprising, like, actually. Let's go. Cuckoo, get ready. One bite! By the way, you can do just bang fire. Cuckoo, you can do just bang fire without the argument, I'm pretty sure. Too late, Rusty. Now let's see if I fixed it. Wait, actually, oh wait, it's broken. It's broken. It crashed. It crashed, Nigel. Hold on. Get 3 on null value. Screen is null for some reason. Oh my god. So. Oh, cause did I get rid of this thing? Can I hide this? I can hide this. Can I hide that? Can. Yes, it crashed. 700 errors, by the way. Okay, so screen. Where is the screen set? Yeah, I did screen equals now. Get rid of that. Restart. Restart! Again! Oh wait, I didn't press the start. Why does restart not run? Why does rerun not run, only stop? Like why? Also, what are theirs? Yeah, that flea has no static return type. Ooh. Foxy error. Avoid function cannot return. Oh wait, there's bool. Is it still running? Name Foxy. Yeah, it's still running. Oh, Camel. Where is Caramel, by the way, Nigel? Fire Hell. Google, just get fire command. You don't need to type the receiver plushie. It's gonna be automatic if there is one. Init, okay, so init does not return anything. Fleet does not return anything. On fire returns bool, and this init returns void. Let us pump fire then. Have fun typing this, Lamar. Yeah, just as I said, you don't have to. It's made specifically for that purpose. Well, actually, not really. Anyway, so what is this? Oh, that's C stuff, isn't it? Oh, that's hashable name. How did you manage to eat away at Foxy that much and just get away? Okay, you're not getting away. Actually, what do I have in my team? Because I don't have a fire plushie. Yeah, I have just infinite. $16 plushes. Okay, I am not competing. I need to buff raid probably a bit. Wait, what's up with chat? Alright. Cuckoo, you missed your opportunity. No. I'm typing this. This name is just. You missed it! Too late. Just look in chat. Like, how? Too late! Just look in chat. Look at the chat. Chat's telling you all the information. Your disk is suffering. You gotta go. Yeah, sure. Okay. So yeah, what do we do here? Where's my type? Where's my type system? BCO. So I gotta add a symbol here. So it's either a symbol or a value. Size is a size, yeah, or a function, I guess. So I could make an expression type. Guys, this is full screen for me, by the way. Black hole. Like, you realize I see this full screen. But yeah. The Foxy can't even stand this. Relax, Foxy, relax. Unwrap. What did Zeros do? You got defeated though. Yes! Wait, is it It's balancing! Wow. Oh. Gyroscopic effect. Actually, like, kinda gyroscopic effect. Because it's constantly rotating counterclockwise. So gravity doesn't work correctly. Mr. Epoxy was running nicely when codebase was C++. Codebase was never C++. Codebase used to be Rust. Or you're talking about Firefox. I guess it's just time. Anyway, Firefox existed before Rust. Yeah, the Firefox is not. Is it using Rust? Like, is it actually using Rust currently? Does it keep using Rust? I'm not sure what to do with this. Actually, let's continue juggling. Wait, I do this again. So this is gonna move after here. And this is gonna move after here. Yeah. Just probably ask AI about. Where are you even going? I don't even know, I didn't even see what happened. Latency of this. There's the piece of epoxy outside the screen. It's not supposed to happen. Class finding is broken. Oh. Pathfinding is definitely broken. Oh, by the way, you can actually fire, like, leave those balls. Actually, those balls are temporary. Going to Firefox. They don't do damage to Firefox. Yeah. Well, against they will. Punch Foxy, flee. It have seen too much. Plushy Fox Plus. What? Okay, let's see if it actually works this time. Can play basketball with the ball. Doesn't wanna. Oh. Spirit. So Fox Plus was Firefox. What was it? Wait, what was it? It was that rabbit? Oh! Was it hair? Or Glenda? Hair? Yeah, makes sense. Now, I'm wondering... Oh, actually... I think I know why it doesn't burn currently. Because process is not getting cold. Sleep test. What is sleep test? Like, why are we calling sleep test all of a sudden? 2,000 errors. Wait. How do I scroll? How do I quickly scroll down? Where's the scroll bar even? Oh, here it is. Where did you guys just type fire? You should have to type full flashy name. No! There is a reason why you can. And you can also just type punch. You don't have to type the name. It is so annoying. Little trees now. Oh, it's inside tree. It's inside tree. I am supposed to do this. First of all, second of all. Oh, that's weird. This book then will be put out. Something comes in my air. First fire, fire, fire. Fire, 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 it just burned. Poor minicast. Poor minicast. Nigel, we gotta catch minicast and gift it to QV. Actually, QV is not there, you're not gonna be able to. Well, you gotta catch it and like wait for QV to come by to gift it. It's scared. It's sacred. We're so... How do I keep it ticking? So I don't want half of it. I don't want half of it ticking. Okay, so where's the plushie? So I have bone. Set on fire, set. So set on fire. This is asynchronous. Yeah, this is all good. Now, in process it removes. So I do need this process to run. Which, honestly, I don't know how to do. I guess it's just gonna be frozen. Nigel, can you bring Fox Plus back? Oh. Have a nice look then. Because it should... something should happen to it immediately. Yeah, it evaporates immediately. Immediately. But like, it doesn't evaporate in the background. That's interesting to say the least. Oh, also I think I know why it doesn't position. So that's why it explodes. Plushy, Foxy. Foxy's there. You destroyed Foxy. Seriously, see you. Okay, so she punched Foxy. Then, when you did Plushy Foxy, it spawned in place of itself, exploding. which means that C, who punched it last, got the XP. Fire C. C is not there. Punch C. Oh, right. I know the commands. Bro. Oops, put down. Come on, work. Yay. I did a good job. I have 25 HP. Okay, you can finish me, cause I'm barely there. Oh, actually, I'm gonna burn for a while. Punch. Oh, you level 25 to 58 XP. I got to level 30. I got to level 30. I need 322 more to level 31. So anyway, so yeah, orco. So I need to actually justify myself. I moved this after the Cogent API because Cogent API is gonna dictate the way functions are defined and like code is generated. So actual expressions are part of Cogent API, and constant expressions are very similar. So I wanna figure out Cogent API and maybe reuse part of it. Now I moved this after Cogent API because I don't feel like dealing with this right now. So I wanna do Cogent API, but yeah, it's almost 5 PM now, so maybe I'll end the stream there. Yeah, abrupt, probably. It's like I really need to remake this ideally. So that is fine. That is super fine. I'm gonna need to figure out how to make this tables. Because this is not VTable safe. This is not gonna work. Like actually, how would this look if I? How would this look if I actually could gender it? So you have set of functions. You use this set of functions. It's impossible. Fire. Who are you gonna fire? Fire's not there. Wait. Other passes are not there, so you can't fire anyway. You can't fire anyone. You're not the person to do this. Fire it. It's not there. So yeah, so we're gonna have this as a function, probably named something. Then body Cogent. So this returns a type. The type name is unknown, which is the problem. So we're gonna have to find out the type name. Figure out the type name, and then apply it. This returns a point. This returns an object. offset type. I mean, that's workable, I guess. Yeah, that should be fine, should be okay. Although the generics are gonna be messy, because like everything is gonna have to be generic over that type. That's just how Rust works, and C doesn't have generics, nor it has any type inference, so that's gonna be a bit annoying. Also, 2 levels of generics don't work, so that's gonna be fun. Can we define? Can we use defines in there? So if this is if we have a generic type which has a function, if we have a type that is a generic and we call a function for it, it returns a. Imagine an associated type, for example. Imagine it being an associated type. Then this associated type is a define. If this associated type is a define, it should, in theory, actually no, it's not. I don't think it is. I don't think it's possible. Although we'll see. It's still a bad API. So making it boxable should be fine. Should be possible, ideally. Or at least a wrapper. A wrapper that's like, what do you call it? Boxable. Thread, not thread safe. Well, type erased, object safe, I guess. Object safe wrapper. Because this is not object safe. So you should return a set of functions which return. Actually, yeah, no, it's not object safe. Actually, this is a pointer. Since this is a pointer, I can make it to I can make it an object. So this can be made into an object just by wrapping it in references and pointers, or in a box. Like if I just box it, it should be okay. So box of impl versus box of dynamic. ECF code. Yeah, actually, this is object safe, almost. Like it's really easy to make it dynamic. Same goes for this. Yes, same goes for this. None of it uses like custom types, which is good, which is really good in our case. So that work might be done at some point. Maybe I actually do it right now. Maybe I actually box it, but I don't know if I can. Like, what are the requirements for trait to be object safe again? Because we're returning an impl. I wish it would be possible traits. Incompatible. All super traits must also be dynamic compatible, sure. Sized must not be a super trait, sure. Must not have any associated constants, yes. Must not have any associated types with generics, yes. Or be explicitly non-dispatchable. Dispatchable functions must not have any type parameters. Yes, that's the problem. Not have an opaque return type, that is not be anything. Yeah, that's the problem. Because like if we replace infiltrate by a box of dynamic trait, it's fine. So do I just make a whole new API that's like dynamic, that just replaces those return types, and drops an existing typed thing, and implements all those methods. So you only have to implement for it if you want dynamicness. Actually, could be worth it. Could be worth it. Although I feel like auto-generating it would be even easier. Cause like this is annoying. It's annoying to have a box of dynamic in here. Well, not in here, in here. Where is it? We'll see. Maybe I will do that. Like, maybe I will actually do that. Anyway. So, this is our cogent. So this states body cogent. So arbitrary control flow. A request for arbitrary control flow. Unsupported. Unimplemented. Just panics. Just panics everywhere. So arbitrary control flow is just a... It's pretty simple. Although I don't like label. Like it would be nicer if label returned the label, not took a label. Because like it returns an address in the code. And then like we jump to it, or conditional jump to it. But again, conditional jump should probably use a boolean value. So this should probably take a value instead of an operand. So there are operands and places. What if we replace them by values? So like, because I don't like that part specifically. I mean, variable derivatives. I mean, actually, because this is kind of closer to what it is gonna be in memory. So I don't know. Maybe we do return it. Maybe we do replace it though. Anyway, I think we're gonna end here. I'll probably figure it out off stream. So let's rate somebody. Search compiler, just in case. Only the Ferrari. Has a tag. Oh. Well, wait. Was it? Oh, it was you. Okay. I borrowed check, by the way. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just open it. You did it for me. Wait, stop. Wait. Yeah, thank you all for joining. I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye. Did I do it right? Let's go see. Or are we waiting on the GUI glitch now? See you guys.